I'm Amit Garg from IQUBX Private Limited, and we have come out with some very innovative green certified products. Our glass partition systems are one of the most innovative glass partition systems and certified GREENPRO in India. They are the only certified green products. The first product which we had in glass partition systems was GP2510, which is a very normal glass partition system with a snap fit. This is 25 mm by 44 mm and can be used for single glass only. Thereafter, we evolved some innovative systems, like this is 25 into 50 mm glass partition system GP2512. This has a unique property that two of them can be combined together with the help of screws and converted into a double glass partition. So this has got the flexibility that you can use a single glass or you can use it as a double glass. After, we have GP4028, which is a very high performance glass partition system for a single glass, in which there is enough space which we have kept for putting up rubber gasket at the joinery between the partition and the surface, be it wall, floor or ceiling. The snap fit channel has got double lock for superior grip, and inside the glass also is going to rest on a rubber gasket. So it gives very superior performance even with single glass, a very superior acoustic performance. That is how it can be fitted together. After that, we have critical systems, which are basically grid-based partition systems. This is a structural critical system or a grid-based glass partition system. The main load-bearing channels are assembled with the help of brackets, and over and above them, you can snap fit the cover channel like this. Along with that, you can fix then the other part of the grid partition system, in between which you will have the glass here. One can also have a four kind of grid partition system, in which on any existing glass panel, which is a bigger glass, this kind of grid can be fixed from both sides. This also is a very strong system in which the appearance can be created without having a separate glass in the grid.